Ready to take control of your high-yield savings and CD accounts from the palm of your hand? If you're a Popular Direct customer, you know the power of competitive rates. But juggling accounts can feel like a chore. That's where the Popular Direct mobile app comes in. It's the secure, simple way to manage your finances on the go. In this video, we're walking through the key features and showing you exactly how to navigate the app to make managing your money effortless. First things first, logging in. After downloading the app from your device's app store, you'll use your existing Popular Direct online banking user ID and password. For lightning-fast access, you'll be prompted to enable biometric login, that's Touch ID or Face ID, so you can sign in with just a glance or a touch. It's safe, and it saves you time. Once you're in, the main screen is your account dashboard. Here you get an immediate overview of all your Popular Direct savings and CD accounts. To dive deeper into any specific account, just tap on it. This takes you to the activity screen, where you can easily review your current balance, check transaction history, and search for recent deposits or withdrawals by date or amount. Swipe left or right on the top section to quickly switch between your different accounts. Next up, one of the most convenient features, mobile check deposit. Need to fund your account but can't make it to a branch? No problem. Look for the plus sign icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen, and select Deposit. Before you snap a photo, make sure your check is endorsed correctly with your signature and the phrase for mobile deposit at Popular Bank via Popular Direct. Lay the check on a dark, well-lit, flat surface. The app will guide you to take clear pictures of both the front and back. Enter the deposit amount, confirm the details, and hit Submit. It's that simple and secure. Finally, let's talk transfers. If you need to move money, go to the Transfers section, which is typically found in the main navigation or under the plus sign. You can easily transfer funds between your internal Popular Direct accounts. More importantly, you can manage transfers to and from the external bank account you have linked. Remember, during the initial period after opening your account, transfers may be limited, but once that period is up, you can set up immediate, scheduled, or recurring external transfers right through the app to make saving automatic. The Popular Direct mobile app makes keeping up with your high-yield savings easy, transparent, and completely in your control, 24/7. Whether it's checking your balance, depositing a check, or setting up a recurring transfer, you have all the tools you need right on your phone. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.